Hi, meet Michael. Michael is a SharePoint product owner in his organization. SharePoint is used as their central collaboration platform that allows users to access organization information and work as teams on projects, share documents, participate in discussions, run surveys, and a lot more. The users like it, but there is a problem. Users access SharePoint using a web browser, and as a result, users spend a lot of time in navigating back and forth from one page to another and another. Clicks after clicks, page loads after page loads, and often they struggle to find what they are looking for in a timely manner. This leads to user frustration and loss of productivity. So Michael tried a number of things to address this challenge, but he couldn't find a simple yet effective solution. He was at the peak of giving up until a friend introduced FlyView for SharePoint to him. FlyView for SharePoint is a SharePoint add-on that adds flyout menus to SharePoint sites and automatically binds them to SharePoint content. No configuration required. Users just move their mouse pointer on FlyView menu bar, and FlyView takes them to anywhere in SharePoint. This makes navigating sites, pages, libraries, nested folders, documents, and locating content extremely easy. Now everything is just a single click away. FlyView offers a lot more, such as global search, cross-site collection browsing, search as you type, item count in lists and libraries, document previews, smart views, recent locations, favorite locations. Setting up FlyView is extremely easy and only takes a few minutes. FlyView has changed Michael's life positively. His users now save a lot of time every day, find SharePoint content easily, and thus can focus more on their work instead of clicking their mice again and again. So what are you waiting for? Be like Michael. Get FlyView Enterprise for everyone in your organization. Your SharePoint users will love SharePoint more, and your ROI on SharePoint will get better and better every day.